Alright, it is assignment time. So, we are going to do our first assignment for level 2 and we are going to do 3 really fun programs. But this time in level 2, I am not going to show you my code. I am only going to give you clues so that you can write your own code. Don't worry, I will give you a lot of clues and you will be able to write it on your own. But if you're not able to write, you can always, comment below or email us and we will always help you. Okay, let's try it. So, this is the first one you're going to write. First, can you print values between 31 and 79? I just picked these numbers. So, 31 and 79 by incrementing by 4. It is so simple. So we know that the start value is 31 and the stop value is 79 and the increment is 4. That's all. So you can just write a for loop with the range which has the start value, stop value, increment and print the I value. That's it. So second one, this is going to be even more interesting. We are going to print 5 times table or timetable for 5. Okay, so what is the range of values we want as output? We want 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. So what is the start value? It is 5. Next, what is our increment value? It is again 5. We are increasing by 5, right? 5, 10, 15. So we are increasing by 5. Next, what is the stop value in this range? It is 50. But we also want 50 to be included in the output. So we will change the stop value to 51. We'll increase it so that 50 is below 51, is less than 51 and it will be included in the output. So we have the start value as 5, stop value as 51 and increment value as 5. So easy peasy. Can you write the code for this? I'm sure you can. The last one, this is another really cool program and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it a lot. We are going to print numbers in descending order. Wow! So let us print start value from 10 to 1. So we are going to print from 10 to 1. So let's write the output. What is the output we want? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So we know that the start value is 10 because we are starting from 10 and we know that the stop value is 1. Okay, so let's keep at that. So but we also want 1 to be included, right? So let us change it to 0. Can we have 0 as output stop value? Yes, we can. We can even have negative values, but let's say we can have 0 as stop value. Next, the increment value. Now, here we are not increasing, we are decreasing. We are going from 10 to 9 to 8 to 7. So what are we doing? We are decreasing by 1. So our decrement value is minus 1. Again, can we have negative values? Yes, we can. So our start value is 10, our stop value is 0 and our increment value is minus 1. Again, very easy to write, right? Try it and I'm sure you will get it. If not, we will see it in our classroom. So you know the start, stop and the increment value for all the 3 programs. So now all you have to do is write the for loop and print the values. When you write the code, you can write the code for each question one after the other and submit it as one assignment, or you can write the code for each question separately and submit as 3 assignments. You can do whatever is easy and convenient for you. We just need the code for 3 assignments and we are very confident that you can do it on your own. Okay? I hope you enjoy these assignments. So let me see you soon in week 2 with another super interesting topic. Okay? See you. Bye bye.